Good evening, everyone. I have cleared my CFA L1 exam, and that would not have been possible without Sanjay sir's guidance, the knowledge that he provides in his classes, and his blessings. For the journey, I would like to say that I knew that the classes were huge in number, and I had to cover a lot in a limited number of days. So I set a plan that I had to cover just number of classes in just many days, and I would follow through. Once I would complete a chapter, I would do the revision class, because if you have doubt in some of the class, those doubts are cleared very well in the revision class itself. So don't leave the revision class, cover it along with the chapter. Once you have completed the entire curriculum, you will see that some of the concepts that would slip for your mind. I think that is very natural. So I would suggest do the revision class once more, make your own notes, have some voice recordings too. And once you see that if you make your own notes and you will start revising those every day, those concepts get ingrained in your mind. So that will help you a lot in during the final days of preparation. Second of all, I would like to say that do candidate resources as much as possible. The questions that come in the exam are very similar to those. I gave around 5-6 mocks before the exam so that I would feel confident that my preparation is well. I started securing a stable percentile after like 2-3 mocks, so I knew that I was confidently prepared for the exam. So the trick here is to do the service class, do the revision class as well, do the candidate resources questions, and give as many mocks as possible. But for ethics, I would say that especially do all the questions that is in service books, because ethics is one subject that I found that once you need to know every single minutia in every single standard, and that will only happen if you cover one standard at a time and do every question from service book, and if you do all the questions from the candidate resources. So that was what I did, and I did not had to think about the minimum passing percentage or the competition or anything. Like I was in the flow during the exam because of all the practice that I did. So questions is the key, and just follow through on what sir says, and you will see that you will pass with flying colors. So again, I would like to thank Sanjay sir from the bottom of my heart, and all the best for all the candidates for the upcoming exam. If you want any kind of if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to clear all your doubts. Thank you.